Hello and welcome back to Mangley Town with another quick Class 43 unboxing. Here we have an Intercity Swallow one. This is Hornby R3602 TTS. The second Intercity 125 pack I got, and also my first sound loco. As I do run DCC, I thought I had to get one to get the nice sound of the Intercity 125s. So we have the power car 43079, and that does look really nice with the white stripe, and then going into the executive livery. Again, nice amount of detail, nice amount of weight, and a swallow. Where are we? Yep, opening doors again. And then we have dummy car 43078. And this is Goldwyn Festival premiere, I believe. And again, as I say, that was my second set because it's the second livery that I just had to have the other classic 125 livery. Thank you for watching, and catch you again soon.